Welcome to Turnitin similarity check tutorial. This video will guide you through the process to check your similarity for your term papers, assignments, Risala and Adruha. First of all, you will go to your Blackboard course and then click on the content tab from the left hand side. Then you will find a link created by your course coordinator with the name Nisbة المطابقة. Once you click on this, view and complete, you will find this dashboard. This dashboard has the course name, the submission name, the start date, and the due date. To submit, you will just click on submit button and another window will pop up, which will have your first name and last name already mentioned in the boxes. For the third box, you will choose a title for your submission. For example, we choose any. Just choose a very short title. You don't have to put the whole long title of your dissertation. And then you will choose your file from your computer. And then open it. Once the file is chosen, the blue button will be activated and you will be able to upload your file. This process might take longer because if your file is very long, for example, if it is your Risala and it's 150 pages, so it might take few more seconds to upload. So, but you have to be patient and wait for the system to process your document. So once the document is uploaded, the system will ask you to confirm, and the confirmation blue button will be activated. Once you click on confirm, the system will take you to the next step where it will show you your submission and a receipt also. And then at this stage, your submission is completed. The system has accepted your file and it's now under process. So you can click on this return to assignment list and go back to the same submission link. You notice this was a very short document and it has zero similarity. But if it was a longer document, it will take few hours, more than an hour or maybe 2 or 3. So if you are submitting your Atruha for similarity, please wait. You will log out from the system, Blackboard, and then after a couple of hours, you will log in again and click on the similarity link. Here it will show you either blue bar if you have zero similarity, a green bar if you have a similarity be to the point where your supervisor and the course coordinator has allowed, it will be green. And then if the similarity is very high, this blue bar could change to either yellow or red. If it is yellow or red, this will mean that your similarity is very high and you have to revise your paper and remove all those paragraphs and paraphrase them to minimize the similarity. So in order to check your similarity, you will click on this color box. This will show you your file the way you have submitted. Once the file is displayed, you will click on the down arrow and then choose current view. Please make sure you choose the current view only. Okay. So once you choose current view, the system will prepare your download and you will find your download in your hard drive in your download folder. Once you go to your download folder, find the file, and then go to the end of your Risala. If your Risala is 150 pages, go to the end, and then at the end you will find your similarity report. If it is 5%, 10%, or 20%, you will find this figure written here, and then you will have a list of all those resources which will show your similarity with the quoted material and the sources from where you have quoted. So this is the brief tutorial. I hope it will help you to understand the process of checking your similarity. And if your supervisor has advised you to submit this similarity report, you will copy this or save it and either send it to your supervisor by email, or if your supervisor or the course coordinator has asked you to upload on the Blackboard on a different link, then you will have to upload this similarity report. Thank you so much.